Hi everyone, it's Lynnea. Today I'll be creating a card with the Family Editions stamp set from the Kindred Stamps February 2020 release. Now I'm just going to color up the little pregnant mama here using some really easy colors and kind of keeping it gender neutral color. I wanted to say the Family Edition stamp set really spoke to me because of all of the fabulous sentiments about rainbow babies, adoptive babies. It kind of covers every kind of mommy experience. It even says, like, we don't match. And to me, that was just wonderful to see. A lot of people don't know my story of becoming a mom. I've had a lot of trouble having my own children. And so my son Jaxon, we actually had him from the time he was 2 weeks old through foster care, and we were able to adopt him through foster care. So we kind of took not the normal route to becoming a family. And so this stamp set I really think is wonderful, and I chose to make a rainbow baby card. I've had multiple miscarriages. I have a lot of friends who have lost children, and I think that this would be a really great card, and I'm going to hold on to it, and hopefully I can give it to one of my friends someday to kind of brighten their day. So I have a little rainbow die here, and this is from LDRS Creative, and I'm just going to use it to cut out a bunch of different colors of cardstock so that I can create a little rainbow background. This card in itself is simple, but I really think it packs a punch, especially for anyone who has lost a baby and is now able to have their own. I think it's a really nice stamp set, and so I just wanted to create this one because it was special to me. So I'm just going to glue all those little rainbow arches down, and then I thought that the card looked a little simple. You can see kind of my idea that I just wanted to have the little mommy in front of the rainbow, but I wanted to have something else in the background. So I'm going to use this skinny plaid stencil. I'm just going to position it over the top of my card, and then I'll use some purple tape at the back to secure that onto the stencil. And all I'm going to do then is just add some really simple gray ink blending over the top. And I decided to go with a warm gray. I'm going to stamp my sentiment that says, "After every storm, there is a rainbow." And that's kind of in the middle center-ish of my card. And then I'm just going to use my stamp cleaner and clean that off because I wanted to have a sentiment on the inside as well. And there are a lot of sentiments that you can put on the inside. I thought about having "Welcome to the World," and instead I decided to just go with a simple "Congratulations" sentiment. So I'm going to flip open my card and just position that in the middle, and then I'll stamp that down. And then all that's left to do is just glue that little rainbow on, and then the little mama right there I popped up with some foam in the center. I wanted this to sparkle, just to have a little bit of extra something, so I'm going to use my clear Spectrum Noir shimmer pen and just go all over all those different rainbow arches, and then I will also color over her dress, and that will finish off this card. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I will see you next time. Bye!